Sometimes you pick amazing parking spots like this. It's pretty nice, I think. Happy sunset, everybody. I guess I'm saying today's Chasing Sunset is brought to you by beautiful Utah, where it's just amazing and amazing. Hope you guys have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. Good morning, everybody. Let's see where we woke up today. I think that's pretty nice. What do you guys think? Here in beautiful Utah. You guys have a great day. Adventure if you can. Hey everybody, there's nothing like waking up, cooking breakfast under a nice view like this. Hope you guys have a great day and an adventure if you can. Hey everybody, today's Chasing Sunset is brought to you by some Utah. It's quite dry here in Utah. I can feel it in my face. It is a little dry, but there is a nice sunset over there. It's beautiful. It is very pretty here in Utah. Absolutely. Utah is amazing. There you go. Hope you guys have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. Good morning, everybody. Let's see where we woke up today. It's not too bad, I think, right? Look at those pretty mountains here in Utah. Utah is a magical place. And this could all be yours with Nomad life. Nomading is fun. It is beautiful. It's places you get to wake up, see the moon, and all that stuff. Hope you guys have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. Hey everybody, just a friendly reminder that Utah is amazing. You should come visit it. Everybody, I'm very excited to show you tonight's campsite. I think it's pretty nice that this is where the head will be laid tonight. My truck is in the shop getting major upgrades, and so my brother lent me this truck, thankfully, with tent included, so that we could all enjoy fabulous views like this on a beautiful weekend here in Utah. Hope you guys have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. Hey everybody, today's Chasing Sunset is brought to you by a beautiful land we call Utah. Where is this Utah anyway? Amazingly, it's in the southwest of the United States. When everybody says, go west because it's amazing, it is truly amazing. Up here in a nice perch, have a very nice overlook of the valley below, and it's just a great day. It's Saturday here in the beautiful land of Utah. Hope you guys are able to go outside, see things that are amazing, and hopefully views just like this. Hope you guys have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. Good morning, everybody. Let's see where we woke up today. Wow, that's pretty amazing. Sunrise here in the zoo. There are amazing places out here in the world. All we have to do is go and look. It's a beautiful day here in Utah. We all get to embrace it if you try. Hope you guys have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. Hey everybody, so if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that on my brother's birthday, I do his age and push-ups. So of course on my birthday, I do my age and push-ups to restart my cycle. So here we go, see how I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh my God. Oh God. Happy birthday to me. Hope you guys have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye.